BitMine chair Tom Lee warns Bitcoin could face 50% drawdowns despite ETF hype. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, market. Lee said Bitcoin continues to mirror the stock market, often amplifying equity market moves by double. Crypto journalist, Amin Ayan. Crypto journalist, Amin Ayan. About author. Amin Ayan is a crypto journalist with over 4 years of experience in the industry. He has contributed to leading publications such as Cryptonews, Investing.com, 99 Bitcoins, and 24/7 Wall Street. He has author profile, share, copied, last updated 1 hour ago. Bitcoin's volatility isn't gone, and it could still fall by as much as half its value, according to Tom Lee, chairman of BitMine. Key takeaways. BitMine chair Tom Lee warned that Bitcoin could still see 50% drawdowns, despite growing institutional adoption. Lee said Bitcoin continues to mirror the stock market, often amplifying equity market moves by double. While cautioning about volatility, Lee remains bullish long-term, predicting Bitcoin could reach $200,000 to $250,000 this year. Speaking in an interview with Anthony Pompliano published Thursday, Lee said he expects 50% drawdowns to remain part of Bitcoin's price history, even as institutional adoption grows. Tom Lee says Bitcoin still mirrors stock market, warns of 40% drops. His comments come amid rising optimism that Bitcoin's price swings have softened thanks to spot Bitcoin ETFs and increased institutional participation. However, Lee cautioned that Bitcoin continues to move in tandem with traditional markets and tends to amplify those moves. The stock market has more frequent 25% drawdowns, he said. So if the S&P is down 20%, Bitcoin could be down 40%. Lee added that while the broader economy has matured in recent years, Bitcoin's correlation with equities means sharp corrections are still likely. Despite that, he remains long-term bullish. On the Bankless podcast earlier this month, Lee repeated his prediction that Bitcoin could climb to $200,000 to $250,000 by the end of the year. A 50% drop from those levels would put Bitcoin back near $125,000, roughly its current all-time high. On the other hand, if Bitcoin has already peaked for this cycle, as some analysts who follow the traditional 4-year cycle argue, a 50% decline from its current price of around $110,000 would push it down to roughly $55,000, levels not seen since September 2024, according to CoinMarketCap data. Veteran trader Peter Brandt recently issued a similar warning, comparing Bitcoin's chart to the soybean market of the 1970s, which crashed by half after a massive rally. Historical precedent supports the risk. After hitting $69,000 in November 2021, Bitcoin plunged nearly 50% to $35,000 in just 3 months. Still, not everyone agrees with the bearish outlook. MicroStrategy's Michael Saylor said in June that the era of deep crypto winters is over. Winter is not coming back. Lee, meanwhile, believes Bitcoin may be entering a longer cycle, one that could reshape how investors think about both its rallies and inevitable corrections. Tom Lee doubles down on Ethereum as DAT bubble shows signs of bursting. As reported, Lee has reaffirmed his bullish stance on Ethereum, ETH, revealing a $1.5 billion purchase following last weekend's market crash. Despite warning that digital asset treasuries, DATs, are trading below their net asset value, NAV, suggesting a potential bubble burst, Lee told Fortune he views the pullback as a long-term buying opportunity. Lee's move was mirrored by BitMine Immersion Technologies, which accumulated 379,271 ETH, worth roughly $1.5 billion across 3 major purchases this week, according to data from Arkham Intelligence. The mining firm now holds over 3 million ETH, or 2.5% of the total supply, making it one of the largest corporate holders of Ether. BitMine reportedly aims to control 5% of all ETH in circulation, positioning itself as a key player in the Ethereum ecosystem. Speaking with Cathie Wood, Lee compared Ethereum's future to how Wall Street shifted from gold to equities after 1971, arguing that ETH could eventually flip Bitcoin as the dominant store of value. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. XRP Price Prediction. Major crypto analyst warns of inevitable XRP supply shock in 2025. Is XRP about to pump? Ripple's $1 billion XRP treasury sends social metrics soaring. According to Lunar Crush metrics, Fed proposes letting stablecoin issuers access banking system directly without banks. Live XRP price developments. October 22nd, Japanese firm Gumi joins Ripple and SBI in Evernorth's XRP treasury deal. Live Cryptonews today. Latest updates for October 22nd, 2025. Crypto market erases gains after rebound. As U.S.-China trade tensions escalate, Bitcoin drops to $108,000. Price analysis. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of Ethereum, Cardano, Ripple by the end of 2025. 2 days ago, by Tim Hackey. Crypto Regulation News. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. 2 days ago, by Anas Hassan. Altcoin News. Why is crypto down today? October 22nd, 2025. 1 day ago, by Amin Ayan. Best crypto to buy now in October 2025. Top crypto to invest in. October 1st, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 22 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. 15 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 1 day ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in October 2025. 9 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 14 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 3 hours ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29th, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 3rd, 2025. By Ben Beto.